What is going on, everybody? Connor here with Brad Deary with Coconut. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. I just wanted to take the time to show you guys the multifunctional tailgate by GM. This one does happen to be on a 22 Silverado Trail Boss. Very nice vehicle. So as you guys can see, there are two levels to the tailgate. First one right here, I like to call it your workbench. If you have any work that you need to get done, there's not a table around, this definitely is super handy. So to release the rest of the tailgate, you do have to put that back up. Press that button right there. Easy release tailgate. Definitely saves the life of the tailgate. It's not just going to slam down. So to release this part, you just hit that workbench button again. That comes down. Put your finger right here. You do have yourself an extra step. Nice thing that they do add here is a little handle to help yourself up. So super easy to get up. It's not an awkward step or anything. Super easy to get down. Now, of course, you just put this back up. One nice thing that I like about this is you don't have to mess around trying to put the tailgate back together. Literally just grab down here. It's aluminum, super light. And it all just folds together really nicely. And then, of course, put this bad boy down. Well, gotta close that first. But yeah, awesome thing to use. Absolutely love that GM added this to the vehicles. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. Again, my name is Connor, and hope you have a great day.